Hi there, students. Pandemonium. Pandemonium. It's a noun. It means chaos, riotous uproar, noisy confusion, bedlam, a commotion, mayhem. There was pandemonium in the airport when all flights were cancelled. So people were talking angrily, they were walking about, they were using their mobile phones. There was lots and lots of uproar. A major bank went bankrupt, causing pandemonium in the stock market. So pandemonium, a scene characterizing shouting, complaining, panic, people rushing about, loud riotous uproar, especially from a crowd. So when a group of people, when something upsetting happens to them, something bad, something that makes them nervous, then you have pandemonium, sheer chaos. There was pandemonium in the classroom before the teacher came in. Kids throwing things at each other, running after each other, fighting, etc. Running angry people rushing about is a good definition of pandemonium. There was sheer pandemonium at the news. So there was some bad news and everything descended into pandemonium. So in pandemonium, people are angry, upset, nervous, complaining, shouting, rushing. There was pandemonium among the demonstrators when the police charged. So this pandemonium is a scene of confusion and disorder. But this is describes a group of people in panic, a group of people in confusion. Okay, so a good word, pandemonium. I'd probably only give it 6 out of 10 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, although you might want to use the word chaos. Pandemonium sounds quite descriptive and quite literary, so it's good for an essay. Now, the origin of this word is quite interesting. It was coined by the author John Milton in a book called Paradise Lost that was written about 1650, 1640. I'm not sure of the exact date. So it's quite old, and he made up this word. It comes from Latin, I guess. Pan, all, pandemic, panorama, all, and demonium, demons. So it's like all the demons have been let loose, yeah? And the demons are rushing after people and people are panicked and they don't know what to do. And that's the idea of pandemonium. So, pandemonium, chaos, riotous uproar, shouting and complaining, mayhem. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pandemonium.